when we're not using the mill, you want to make sure you take the tension off the blade, or it could get a flat spot in it from the tightness. So you loosen it back up, and then on this particular model, you want to go back to 35 pounds torque. 25, I'm sorry. You'll hear it click when it gets to 25 pounds. There it is. On the back of this wheel, you should feel a slight bump from the back of the blade to make sure this is aligned correctly. And of course, you can manually turn it to watch how it's going. Looks like it's tracking out a little bit right now. It's starting to track out a little bit, so I'm going to have to make an adjustment on the alignment. It's tracking out, so I'm going to make it tighter. Tighten it will make it track back in more. Little half turns like that, even a quarter of a turn, can make all the difference. So now I'll go back here. Of course, I've loosened this back up. I'm going to reposition the blade. Careful not to put your finger on the tips. You push it back in to where it should be. The slight feeling of it. Back of your hand. Back of your fingers. All right, now I'm going to redo the tension. See how that tracks. I'm watching the distance with each tooth gap and the wheel here as I spin it, and then periodically checking in the back. I think we're good. I think we're ready. It's milling time, y'all. In the wintertime, I'll mix a little RV coolant in with the water to keep it from freezing, but we're coming up on summer and it's spring now, so I don't need to do that. What this water will do is go through this hose onto the blade as it spins to keep it lubricated as it goes through the wood. This ash log's been sitting on my property on the ground probably 6 years, so I'm not sure what I'm going to get off of here.